Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to set default gallery in Android. Here are the steps to set a default gallery app on your Android device. Set default gallery using Settings. Go to Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and tap on Apps, Apps and Notifications, or App Management, depending on the brand of your Android device. Choose Default Apps. Tap Default Apps. This might be under Advanced or App Settings, depending on your device. Set Default Gallery App. Then tap on More Defaults. Then Gallery App. Look for the option to set a default photo viewer or gallery app by toggling it on or tapping on it. These steps will help you set and change the default gallery app on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.